Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Gupta from Star PMT tutorials. I got 606 marks out of 720 this year in NEET UG 2022. Actually, I am from Star Hybrid School and I scored this much in my first attempt, that too in my appearing year. Before that, my CBSE exam results were also declared and I got around 193.4% in that too. For this achievement, I would like to thank all my teachers of this institute and of the school also. It's possible because of them that I am able to do this much and get selection, score 600 plus in the appearing year. It's very difficult to do that, to manage both the exams, but I could do that just because of the support from our teachers, from my parents, from my guardians. I would like to thank them all. I would just like to motivate everyone to join this institute. Whether you are in 11th, 12th dropout, just if you are for selection, if you want selection in NEET, study hard and everyone will be in it and you'll achieve your goal. Thank you.